Hello everybody. We have collected maple sap. It's early spring now, and maple sap gives only for a month or so, period when it's still too cold. In order to collect the maple sap as well as the birch sap, you have to drill approximately 3 centimeters inside the timber and stick such a construction. It's a path that is dripping the sap in the vessel, and we are trying to conserve the maple sap that would stay for a longer time. Approximately after 2 months you still would be able to drink it. So in order to do that, we are doing it in an ancient way. We pour it in a vessel that would have the lid. What we do next, we take hay. As usually it's used rye hay, but you can use whatever you have. We would put it on the top of the surface of maple sap, oat on the top. Most important, that oat has to be alive because it has to sprout and form some sort of like a lid on the top that would prevent maple sap from getting bad, so that you would be able to drink it up after a couple months as well. And here we have hay. It's much better to have rye hay. We are forming some sort of like a cover, some sort of like a plug with this hay. Make sure it reaches all the corners and all the tips. The idea is that we are making some sort of like a surface for oat not to sink. And there we are putting oats on the top, not forgetting every single corner. There it is. So we would close it up. Oats would sprout, and after a couple months you can be drinking a fresh maple juice, maple sap. The idea is that when oats sprout, they form some sort of like a very strong cork, and that would allow the maple sap to stay fresh. So we are closing it up. Stop. Just. Ой.